talk about appropriate sexual behavior. Should a person have sex before marriage?
In Islam, it is prohibited. Morally also it is wrong. Having sexual relationship before marriage is totally prohibited. Otherwise, there will not be difference between a man and an animal. Animals are nothing like marriage. So in human beings, of course, it should be with the religious consent which we call nikah, or in English it's called as marriage.
What about masturbation? Is it a sin to masturbate?
As far as masturbation is concerned, there is no direct verse, but there are different opinions. Certain thing is not mentioned directly, then the difference of opinion. There is no verse directly mentioned about that. But as far as masturbation is concerned, there are two views divided. Majority of scholars say that it's a sin. Some scholars say that if it's to prevent from you doing any sexual intercourse or adultery, if it's for that purpose, then it's allowed. So there are difference of opinion that way. Like if you say that if you will not masturbate and that will lead you to adultery, may lead to fornication, may lead to prostitution, and if that's the reason you're doing it, then that can be allowed. Some scholars say no, for all reasons it is prohibited.